Walnut shucking machine is mainly used for hard walnut shucking. Because of different walnut varieties, the yield and kernel integrity rate are different. A structure is to adjust the speed of the motor, so that the speed and the size of the internal wind speed to adapt. The other is to adjust the internal clearance, so as to achieve a better peeling effect. After the normal operation of the machine, the walnut will be evenly and continuously put into the hopper, and the walnut will be broken under the repeated attack, friction and collision of the rotor. The walnut kernel and the broken shell will pass the screen of a certain aperture under the rotating wind pressure and attack of the rotor. The small pericarp after screening in the walnut shell breaking separator is replaced with a small hole screen for secondary shell filtration and separation. Walnut shell grain in the action of the rotating fan blowing force, so that the light shell blown out of the body. The weight of the heavier fruit is through the vibration screening to achieve the purpose of cleaning. According to the size of the walnut, first adjust the stator and rotor clearance. First put a small number of walnut test, and then mass production. The machine feeds from the upper hopper and separates the kernel and shell fully after peeling, so it is easy to pick up manually and improve work efficiency. Walnut cracking machine, walnut peeling machine, walnut kernel separation machine. Walnut color selection machine is mainly used for walnut shell to walnut varieties, yield and kernel integrity. So as to achieve good peeling effect, the upper part of the machine is fed, and the material is discharged from the side through the inner shell of the